Hi everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva, and we have another hotel room tour. This was at the Grand Hotel in Alabama, in Point Clear. This is a very southern historic hotel. This was a view from my window, just a beautiful old oak trees. Property has tons of old oak trees, and that is a morning view of the bar area. Here's our room. There's my husband. This is the bathroom with a stand-up shower. Yeah, he already messed up. Made everything untidy. Let me just clean that up real quick. They give you a little shampoo, but in a soap and all that. But they actually have the Grand Hotel products in the bathroom, which a lot of hotels are doing now with the squirt bottles. So pretty good shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel. And lovely appointed rooms. And there's a window in the bathroom with the same lovely view. These rooms were redone a few years ago. I remember these chairs. These chairs are really cool. A lot of storage in this room. They have the Keurig coffee makers. They put out bottles of water for you every day. And they have a refrigerator. In the middle, those are drawers for storage. And this is the refrigerator. There is an app for the hotel that tells about daily activities, which one of the most popular is the tea, coffee, and cookies at 4 o'clock every day. And they have a history march where they march through the front lobby and they go out to the bay and they shoot off a little cannon. They tell you history of the hotel and everything. It's pretty cool. So yeah, this chair I've seen before. That's a sofa bed. So this room can actually probably sleep 6. And there's cool old photographs framed on the wall. Just really nice, nicely appointed. Extra pillows and sleeping stuff in the closet. Nice closet to put your things away. They actually had 2 luggage racks in this room. Why don't they do that at more hotels? Have 2 luggage racks. It's a room with 2 beds. It should have more than 1 luggage rack. It does have this little caddy with extra USBs and outlets. A little envelope from the housekeeper. To leave the housekeeper a tip. There's a little storage right there. And this is the lobby with some of the artwork. So thanks for watching, and please share this video and like it.